Hi guys, I'm Audrey. Today's workout is going to be a total body workout. We're really focused on some explosive power, some pulling motions, some jumps. So let's get warmed up for that. All right, so let's pick up our kettlebells. We're gonna start with some swings to just warm up our entire body. So remember to keep a tall chest, really use the legs, thrust those hips forward, try to keep the weight on your heels, and most importantly, make sure you're maintaining a flat back. Just a few more. All right, let's take this kettlebell. We're just gonna bring it shoulder to shoulder. And warm up our shoulders, our forearms. All right, good. Okay, let's start with a few butt kickers. Let's get those legs warm, get those quads warm. Alright, and let's pick up the pace a little bit. We want to try to elevate our heart rate before we work out. Alright, let's do a few side lunges. Get those hips nice and warm. And if you can, let's sink all the way into the bottom and then back up. Good. All right, so now we're a little warm. Let's go over the movements of the workout, and I want you to do a few of the movements with me as I show them. So the first movement we have is going to be power snatches. And we're gonna alternate arms as we do them. So you're gonna start with the kettlebell on the ground, nice flat back. You're gonna squat down. From here, you're going to explode upwards, extending the knees and hips, bringing that kettlebell overhead, and then back down. Okay, we're gonna alternate. So let's practice a few on each side. So it's a very explosive movement. Good. All right, next movement we're gonna do is burpee, jump over the kettlebell. So we're gonna come to the ground, we do a push-up, chest touches the ground, jump together with 2 feet, and then over the kettlebell. All right, so that's our burpee over the kettlebell. And the next movement we have are high pulls. So back to this squat position. Both hands on the kettlebell. We're gonna bring it all the way up to our chin, finishing here. Good, touching the ground with each one. Try to avoid pulling the kettlebell up over your head, just to your chin. Just like with the kettlebell swing, this movement you wanna be explosive with your hips. Thrusting them forward. That's gonna help shoot that kettlebell up to your chin. All right, so we're gonna do that 3 times through 1 minute at each station. So the first movement is going to be the power snatches. Remember, we're alternating arms each time. And go. Back down on the ground. Next arm. Make sure you're maintaining a flat back, tall chest, driving up through your heels. Great job. Make sure you're locking your arm out at the top as well between each movement. So we don't want to finish here Make sure that arm's fully locked out. Good. 20 more seconds. Great job, guys. 10 seconds left. Next movement is going to be burpees over the kettlebell. Okay, let's set it down. Burpees. Chest touches the ground. Feet come together. Jump over the kettlebell. Good. Go at whatever pace you need to. Most important thing is that you keep moving. Try to jump over the kettlebell with both feet together. All right, just a few more seconds left. Let's try to get 2 more in. All right, and move to high pulls. Make sure you're starting that good squat position. Make sure you set your back all the way up. Just to your chin. Try to get your elbows up if you can. And breathe. Good. Really focus on your breath here. 30 more seconds. Great job. Keep going. Deep breaths in and out. A few more seconds. Then we're switching to power snatches. All right. Let's switch. And power snatches. Remember, alternating arms, exploding upwards, opening up those hips. Make sure you're locking that arm out at the top. Good. Whatever pace you can go at is great. Just keep moving. Good. Make sure you're switching arms. Back to the ground each time. Good. Doing great, guys. Keep it up. A few more seconds. Then we're switching movements. Let's do one more. And switch to burpees. Chest touches the ground. Both feet come together over your kettlebell. Try to focus on light landing on your feet. Great job, guys. Stay with it. Just one rep at a time. Make sure you're breathing throughout the entire movement. And over. 10 more seconds. Let's do one more in. All right. And switch to high pulls. This is a great time to really focus on breathing. Get that heart rate down. Make sure your back is flat. Tall chest, driving up through the legs. This whole movement is hips and legs. We're almost there. Only 15 seconds left. Ten more seconds. Keep moving. All right. And all right, last round, power snatches, alternate arms. You can go a little bit faster this round. Go for it. It's the last thing you've got to do. One round, 1 minute, each movement. Doing good, guys. Stay with it. We're almost there. Just 20 more seconds left of these snatches. Ten more seconds. All right, let's do one more. Switch to burpees. Remember, chest touches the ground, jump over the burpee, both feet light landing. Good, don't forget to breathe. We're halfway there. Good job. Pick up the pace a little bit. Good. 10 more seconds. Let's get one more in. All right, high pulls. Last minute, last movement. Focus on breathing. Control your breath. Make sure you're still squatting down, using those legs. Good job. Over halfway. Fifteen seconds left. Pick up the pace if you can. All out here. Good, 5 more seconds. Don't stop yet. One more, and rest. Great job, guys. That was our total body workout. Hopefully you got your heart rate elevated and felt a little bit of a burn. If you feel like you could have done more, try your heavier kettlebell or try to go a little bit faster. See you next time.